Hello, seventh graders. I hope you're doing well. We are at the home stretch of fourth quarter here. So for the end of the year, we don't have much time left. After today's lesson, we only have like 3 more weeks of science. Almost there, guys, almost there. Um, Today's lesson or activity is going to be pretty simple. What I want you guys to do is you're going to check and see if you have any missing work you're going to use today to get caught up with any work you might be missing. We want to get you up to par here before we continue the last stretch here. We want to get you all caught up, and then we're going to punch through the rest of the year. So you're going to check Synergy to see if you have any missing work. I'm talking like missing work from um, like from distance learning. So like anything before distance learning, we're not going to make it up, right? So anything from distance learning and beyond. So after like March 18th, anything March 18th and beyond, check and see that you have everything turned in. If you don't have it turned in, email me if you don't know where to find it. All the lessons are right on Google Classroom. So if we go to Google Classroom here, let's see. Just a second here. Okay, so we're in Google Classroom. You're going to pick, obviously, your class. A lot of people don't know how to navigate this. This is the stream, so I can post like different things here on the stream, like notifications. Some of your assignments get posted here, but check your classwork. There's a classwork tab up here. If you're missing any assignments, it's going to be in the classwork, right? So figure out what day you missed it. Click it. So let's say you're missing something from Wednesday, April 8th. Here's your assignment. It's going to be right here. For your assignment today, you're going to take a quick survey on a Google form. It's going to have your name. You need to put your name, otherwise you won't get the points. It's going to ask you about your missing work, and it's going to have one more question on there for you. So super simple day. Get caught up with all your missing assignments. Check Synergy to figure out what those are. Get them turned in by the end of the week so we can get you all caught up. And then we're going to sail through the rest of the year. Okay, so use this time wisely. Don't just not get your late work done. If you don't get your late work in by Friday, so if you have missing work on Friday, I'm going to mark you absent. Get your late work in. Okay. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Use this time wisely to get caught up. If you have any questions, email me, or we can have a Google Meet if you'd like to do it that way, face to face. We'll see you guys later.